how to edit and change your views on alcohol on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here just click these 3 points and click edit profile, then scroll down and click beliefs, and here just scroll down until you find views on alcohol and select anything you want here and then save it. And now I hope that can help you. Just save it again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.